everyone, welcome to another episode of Cooking with Remy. Today we have some stale bread over here, but there are many ways to use up stale bread. My least favorite is French toast, and my most favorite is croutons. Okay, let's cut this up. So I have these kitchen scissors, so we're gonna cut these into quarters, into like normal crouton pieces. We have all the ingredients we're gonna put in here. So we have our bread cubes. We have some Parmesan cheese we're gonna bake into it. We have oregano. We have salt, and we have black pepper over here. See, that's a black pepper. And we have some nice garlic. And we have some nice oil, so it doesn't just straight up burn. And here we have tools. We have the knife, and we have the scissors we use to cut this. We have cheese. We have a cheese grater, some measuring spoons of all sizes, and we have a garlic press. It goes like that, and the garlic gets pressed. The next step is we're going to put oil on the bread. So we're going to put all this bread in a bowl. Make sure none of that falls out. And here comes the oil. This is olive oil. It's so just this is so it doesn't burn. So I've procured a mixing device to mix the oil into the bread. I think I'm gonna need more. So we're gonna. That's quite a lot of oil. But I'd rather have more oil than it burning. So the oil doesn't even have that much taste. Okay, so we're gonna start seasoning the croutons by adding some black pepper. This is some good quality black pepper. And we're gonna flip these over. Get black pepper. So we have this stuff. It's oregano. It's some spice. I don't know what it tastes like, but it's actually new. So I'm gonna cut that open. Cut that open like that. A little bit like that. And we're just gonna sprinkle it a little bit. Or no, I'm gonna grab some. And then I'm gonna add some nice stuff on there. Yeah. So next step is garlic and salt. You can also use garlic salt. So I have this garlic press. So I'm gonna take this garlic and put it on there, I guess, and squeeze it. Okay, that's garlic. So I'm gonna take these tongs. I'm gonna take it out. And the last seasoning we're gonna put is salt. You can also use garlic salt instead of garlic and salt. I'm just gonna sprinkle that. And the last ingredient for these croutons today is some Parmesan cheese. Parmesan cheese actually takes over 2 years to make. So this is some old cheese. And obviously I'm not gonna put this whole brick in there, so I'm gonna grate it first. Parmesan is my favorite. Yeah, actually, I I like Swiss and Parmesan. I like those cheeses. I like Parmesan in my pasta and for other things. And I like Swiss cheese in my sandwich. And I also like blue cheese to go with like grapes or something. That's nice. Get it everywhere. Including the table, of course. These are mixed together. I have this. This is just a pan with some foil. I'm gonna lay these down on the pan. I thought I was gonna. And so we're gonna bake these in the oven at 400 degrees until they turn golden brown, which is when they'll be very delicious. That's hot. That's hot. Croutons. These croutons are done. They took 18 minutes, which is not mentioned in the recipe. And another thing that is not mentioned in the recipe is that you need to flip the croutons over so they will be more crispy. And so it took about 2 minutes to flip over the croutons. So that's about 16 minutes of baking time. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Cooking with Remy, and I hope you found it informative on how you can make your own delicious food. Nice. Look at this color. It's nice. Mm-hmm. Cheesy.